Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be awesome. I know it's been a while since I've done a vlog style video, and that's simply because I've been slammed with work. It's been crazy. So it's good to kind of take a break from that, get out and do a little bit of work on the car, make another awesome video for you guys. Today's video, we're actually going to be changing the oil in the GTR. I've got a couple buddies coming over. We're going to change the oil in their cars too. So it's going to be a lot of fun. We're just going to hang out, change oil in our cars, and just kind of be car guys doing car things. So stay tuned and let's get this video started. The GTR recommends 0W40 full synthetic motor oil. So I went with AMSOIL because my buddy Richard is actually a brand ambassador for them, and so he got me the hookup. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna put a link in the description below so that way you guys can click on it and get the 25% discount on all of your AMSOIL needs. All right, let's get this open. All right, what do we have here? A full case of oil and some engine and transmission flush. So I got this because I want to make sure I get all of the sludgy oil out of my car, because this is going to be the first oil change since I got my tune, and so I'm pushing more boost, and I just want to make sure I get all of that used oil out of there. So you put this stuff in, you let it run for about 10 minutes, and then it drains out really nice. So we're going to do that, and then we are going to fill her up with AMSOIL 100% synthetic motor oil, 0W40. That's the good stuff right there. One of the first things that we need to do the oil change on the GTR is we're gonna have to raise her up. I'm not gonna show you guys how to do that. There's other videos online. You also have to take off the under tray. I don't really know if I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. There's other videos online on how to do that. We're really just gonna focus more on changing the oil in the car, and then also changing the oil on a couple other people's cars when they get here. So we're gonna get that going. AMSOIL flush. It's going in. Make sure you use a funnel, okay? I have years of practice of getting this just right. Boom. Not a single drop. Okay, so now we let the engine idle for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna turn it on, and then we're gonna jack the car up and drain everything out. Yes, yes. My boy Matt with his Q60. This thing smokes red sports. Guys, what do you think of this Q60? That car is cool. Hey, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let my neighbors hear it too. Oh man, that's something I could never get enough of. And if you guys want to follow him on Instagram, boom, right there. What's up, bro? You want to be in the vlog?
Yeah, dude.
You're in the vlog.
Now your neighbors hate you.
Dude, my neighbors love it. What do you think of my SUV? You like my car collection?
It's actually really nice. I'd love to have one of those.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, not gonna lie. And just like that, we're floating. All right, guys, here's the money shot. Oh, it splashed on me.
No.
It's on my face.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be funny. What if we have the same oil filter?
We probably do.
I'm gonna check right now.
Because when I went to go buy mine, I told the guy what kind of car I had. I go, Nissan GTR. He looked at me like, we're not gonna have that. And I was like, dude, it's probably the same thing as Infinity's. He's like, no. I'm like, yes. He's like, we're not gonna have it. I'm like, dude, look it up.
You really said that?
Yeah.
Like, just look it up in your computer.
Yeah, they had like 800 of them. I go, dude, it's just a fucking Nissan.
He's like, no, it's a GTR, dude. It's like a Ferrari.
Okay, what do you guys think? You think he's gonna scrape or you think he's not gonna scrape? He's about to bring it down in my driveway. Let's see. Go like super, super slow. And watch your mirror too so it doesn't hit it. That wasn't too bad. That was not bad at all. Give this video a thumbs up for Matt's great job pulling it into the driveway.
That wasn't too bad.
It wasn't. It really wasn't. The only problem now though is like we don't have much working space.
It looks good together.
What do you think, guys? Garage goals? Hashtag garage goals. Race car, daily driver / race car. I guess they're both kind of daily driver / race cars, huh?
So, do they know? Like,
Who? Who's they?
your viewers.
Okay, let's find out.
Do they know that that's a VR38
Okay,
and this is a VR30? Should we show them?
let's show them.
Same platform, just
Yeah.
smaller.
Smaller displacement. Oh, but you've got the
Oh yeah, the luxury. That's
yeah.
infinity.
What do you call
right
those
there.
things? The hood.
The struts.
The struts. There we go. Yeah. Okay. So let's look at these similarities. Battery cover. Brake fluid. Brake fluid. Battery cover. Let's see here. Look at all these similarities, guys.
Yours is just a lot prettier.
Look at this. Honestly, they look absolutely nothing alike.
It's pretty ugly. It's funny because no one knows what they're looking at. They're just like, what is going on here?
Yeah.
But all the Nissan branded.
All right, if this video gets 10,000 likes, Matt has to get a fat front mount intercooler and get rid of these top intercoolers, okay? 10,000 likes. I only have like 812 subscribers, so let's get to work here. Let's get enough likes to make this engine bay look prettier. What do you guys think? Should I feature Matt's car on the channel? Give him a full video? I think we should. I mean, any car that has 2 screens deserves to be featured on the channel.
The dual screen.
Dual screens. Dual screens is an instant 50 extra horsepower. It's science. All right, guys, normally I recommend using a funnel, but like I said earlier, I've mastered the craft of not spilling a single drop. Boom.
Look at that skill.
Slow and steady wins the race here, guys. Don't be impatient. Look at that. It's like melted butter. You ever go to the movie theater and get that movie theater butter on your popcorn? That's what we got here. Not a single drop. Okay, so also like I mentioned earlier, I got AMSOIL from through my buddy Richard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link his information below and his like brand ambassador code or whatever, so that way you guys can get, what is it, 25% off?
Yeah,
It's a pretty solid discount. It's like a wholesale price. So I'll link that in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Not a single drop. Ever. I was reading this online, and Nissan actually says, if you look right here, this hole right here is your low marker, and this hole right here is your high marker. They say that 1 centimeter below this high mark is for optimum performance. So we're gonna try to get our oil level right there, 1 centimeter below the high marker, because we definitely wanna be operating at our highest performance. My buddy Mark decided to show up. He's drinking a Pellegrino for the first time. It's blowing his mind.
Oh, dude, I'm so drunk right now.
He's off that Pellegrino.
I'm so drunk.
But more importantly than Mark is Mark's car. What is this again?
It's a
It's a
Mirage.
Subaru?
It's a Subaru SVX STI edition.
Nice, I like it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he had an Evo 3 imported from Japan. Look at this thing. Look at that. You know he's shooting flames. Does this thing shoot flames?
Yeah.
Do you guys want to see his red FD? I want to drive that thing so bad.
Just collecting dust.
Dude, listen to this guy. He's got an FD that just sits in his garage because he's got an Evo 3. He had an R32. What else you got?
I had 2 Laurels, JZX90. I had a cool, clean right-hand drive FC. I sold that.
You had an FC right-hand drive?
Yeah, that was the first Japanese car I ever imported. And then I had a bunch of 240s, SRs and RBs, and 1 JZ swaps. So.
Now tell us about your favorite kind of oil.
I like using Walmart synthetic oil.
Do you need help to bring it down?
My hands are so sweaty. They're just.
You won't turn?
That's pretty gross.
Okay. Here.
Oh, God.
It's rolling.
It's.
There you go. Don't worry about the front bumper. I'm getting it repainted.
You guys ever jack your car up from like
There you go.
the center of the where you put your feet at? I did that.
The floorboard?
My first car I had that. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. So luckily, I had T-tops on my Z.
Oh,
So I
what
took-
kind of Z was it? What year?
It was a Z31. 300ZX, first gen.
How many cars have you had?
Oh man, I've had.
Like a.
Let's see,
guesstimate.
from like 6 to see my first car I had when I was 15. So I probably maybe had at least 40 something cars, 50 cars almost.
I had, my first car was a 1984 BMW 318i. My second car was a 1986 Nissan 300ZX. It had a digital dash. I had an 89 RX-7. I had like a 91 Miata. I had a 97 RX-7. I've had probably like 5 91 RX-7s, a couple convertible FCs.
I want to build a Vert.
I had an 86 RX-7.
Like
What else? I had an MK3 Supra.
Ooh,
Turbo
nice.
with blow-off valves and no exhaust. It had like a turn down, like right after like the middle of the car, it had a turn down, so it sounded pretty badass. I had a G35. I had an S4. I had a BMW 318. No, a
Tell
BM.
them about your favorite car.
Oh, the Scat Pack.
Yeah.
No, it definitely wasn't my favorite car, but it had the best transmission. I'm telling you, dude, that Torque Flight 8-speed
You had a
transmission.
Swing-em car? You had a
Yeah.
sideshow car?
Yeah,
Oh
dude.
My God.
Yeah, you obviously haven't been following me on the
Jeez.
gram for a while.
That's crazy.
In fact, if you guys aren't doing anything right now, head over to Instagram and go look up GTR_burnt rubber. Give me a follow. I will follow you back. Matt's gonna demonstrate the proper way to pour oil using a funnel. Boom, look at that.
Funnel, just cause, you know?
Boom, slow and steady wins the race.
I got like a blood stain right there from me from I don't even know how.
What?
Yeah, you see it?
Got some blood there, dude.
Where I hide my bodies.
Guys, I've been telling you this. We put blood, sweat, and tears into our cars. It's not a joke. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the end of the video. We got the oil changed on Matt's Q60, and we got the oil changed on my GTR. So now we're ready to go out and hit the streets, race some fools, put some people in their place, let them know that we are the Nissan boys. Nissan has a new logo. Let me know what you think about that new logo in the comments below. Other than that, I think we're done here. We're gonna wrap this one up. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. You good?